First impression.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Luto ni Diana! Today, magluluto tayo ng lumpiang gulay with chicken. Kaya keep on watching!
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Okay guys, ito yung mga ingredients sa lumpiang gulay with chicken. Onion, garlic, yung beans, green beans, carrots, repolyo, at yung minced chicken.
Umpisahan natin sa pagbalat ng carrots. And then yung cabbage.
Hugasan ko lang yung mga gulay and then magi-slice na tayo. Kaya, okay. Hugasan natin ng mabuti. One hand, okay? Sa inyo kung paano ito ganyan. Tanggalin yung dulo-dulo, ganyan. Tapos, i-slice lang ng paganon. Madali lang guys, diba? Ganon siya, oh. Ganyan. So, now yung carrots naman yung ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ko siya ini-slice kung ano yung size. Ganito yung way ko pag nag-ano ng carrots sa aking lumpiang gulay. Can you see? Tapos, continue lang natin. Ito yung mga ingredients, onions at saka garlic, minix ko na. Salt and pepper, soy sauce and oyster sauce, chicken, repolyo, tsaka yung carrots and beans, minix ko na rin. In isang bowl, I mean.
Open up.
Sautay lang natin yung onions hanggang sa mag-translucent. And then, pwede na natin ilagay yung chicken. After 10 minutes, ganito na yung itsura ng chicken. And then, we can add the salt and pepper. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti pagkatapos nating i-add yung salt and pepper.
First impression, you open. We should be closer friends.
After natin ma-mix yung carrots and beans, pwede na natin i-add yung liquid ingredients.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you open. We should be close.
Simmer lang natin ng 3 minutes without the lid.
After 3 minutes, pwede na natin i-add yung repolyo. And then, haluin lang natin ng mabuti.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, find it broken up. Going up smoke.
O ayan, pwede na yan. At ito turn off na natin yung heat.
Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up.
Yung purpose ng pag-drain ito guys, para matanggal yung liquid, ganyan o. Kasi mahirap siyang ibalot pag meron liquid. Kaya, ayan. Habang pinapalamig natin yung ating filling, i-separate lang natin. Isa-isahin natin to, ang ating lumpiang wrapper, spring roll pastry. Yan. Meron ditong instruction kung paano. Yan, may instruction dyan. Nabibili ito sa Asian store. Ngayon guys, i-separate natin to. Isa-isahin natin. Abang, nagpapalamig tayo ng ganyan. Ng ating filling. Filling. Siya guys, oh. Yan. Ganyan siya. Like that. Oops. Okay. Tapos, continue lang natin guys, okay? Yeah. So, ayan guys, tapos na akong mag-separate ng lumpia wrapper. And then, tatakpan natin ng malinis na cloth para hindi siya mag-dry. Okay? So, ayan, malamig na yung ito. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng isang kutsara pang scoop natin. At meron ako ditong tubig pang seal doon sa lumpia. Tapos, ayan. Kaya, ready na tayong magbalot. So, okay guys. Umpisa na natin yung pagbalot. Pag ganito siya guys, like, yeah, ganyan. Tsaka, mag-scoop lang tayo ng isang kutsara. Ganyan. Tapos, ganon. At i-sarado dito. At sarado sa kabila. At saka i-roll ng ganyan. O diba, mabilis lang, madali lang. Okay. Ganyan guys ha. Ulitin natin. Tapos mag-scoop tayo ng isang spoon. Ganyan. Tapos, sara like that. Fold 1, 2. Tapos, iganon yung finger ko, ginanon ko. Tapos, like that. Parang envelope. Tapos, dito sa kabila, ganon din. Para ma-sealed siya talaga. Hindi siya maano. Ganyan. Ganyan. Roll lang ng ganyan. Tapos, sealed natin ng tubig sa gilid. So, ganyan. So, like that.
First impression, you OPN.
So, ayan guys, nakagawa ako ng 35 pieces out of 40 pieces na wrapper. Kaya, ayan. 40 pieces kasi yung laman ng wrapper na yun. At saka nagpainit na ako ng mantika. Ilo-lower ko lang yung to 7 like that. And then, so ayan, nagbabubbles na siya. Pwede na yan siguro. Pwede na tayo mag-fry.
Open you up like Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for Pokeball. fall. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
Tatlo lang muna yung nilagay ko guys kasi maliit lang yung ginamit kong pot. Ganyan. Check natin guys. Medyo nag-brown na rin. Kaya para hindi masunog. Alam nyo naman guys kung paano magprito ng lumpia, diba? Kaya prituin na natin hanggang sa mag-golden brown, kumbaga. Ayan. Both side. Ayan. Tapos guys, i-drain lang natin, okay? Para matanggal yung, alam niya na, yung oil. Ayan. Tapos, continue lang natin yung pag-fry hanggang sa matapos. And then, titikman natin yung ating lumpiang gulay with chicken. Ito yung laman niya, guys. Pwede nyo naman damihan yung, yung laman, diba? Kaya, ayan. Hindi masyadong makita yung chicken kasi konti lang naman yun. Half kilo lang siya. Kaya, at least, nandyan yung gulay. Kita nyo, colorful. Ang ganda ng kulay. So, okay guys. Ito na yung ating lumpiang gulay. Titikman na natin. Okay, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Sasawsaw natin sa suka na may sili, bawang, at onions. Kaya i-dip natin. Titikman natin. Parang akong roll. Init masyado. Init.
Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you want baby Emma. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up.
That's it guys. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!